All right, April 30th, 7:24 in the morning. Just drove from home to work. Normal drive, and as usual, the Jeep is still is not going to start. It's still showing transmission temperature when I'm in park rather than showing engine temperature at 204. Go ahead and shut the engine off just to show that it's not going to start. Turn the engine off. Turn the key. Instruments come on, cluster comes up, but the Jeep's not starting. Start again. So, again, put it into gear. Nothing yet. It is starting to rain, so I'm going to go in. I'm not going to sit around and wait for this any longer. So just to show again, that should be showing 210 as the engine temperature, but it's still showing transmission temperature, which means the TCM still thinks it's in gear, therefore will not let it restart. And I can't run any further forward. Best I could do is give the Jeep a shake and see if that helps. Alright, so hopefully in an hour or so it'll reset itself and I'll be able to drive home today.